Digital Devo Day is
perfect matching place for everybody who wants to make startup business in Rhineland.
Is networking, coming together and making hopefully great deals.
A cool platform to bring companies, startups together, to exchange and to develop the future.
We had so many great pitches and it was a blast. It was so great. The audience on the pitch stage had so much energy and they delivered it to the startups on stage.
It was a cool day, intense day. Met a lot of people. We've demoed a lot of our solution, and then there were the different pitches. So intense day, but good feeling about it.